Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the fascia and gutter are sturdy. If they wobble, address that first. Once solid, measure and mark clip spacing, typically 24 inches, but follow the clip specs. Put one clip near the downspout as your anchor. Use a level to ensure the gutter slope is 1/4 inch per 10 feet toward the downspout. Drill pilot holes for screws so the clip seats cleanly. This prevents split wood and ensures tight attachment. Once the anchor clip is set, work outward installing mid-run clips at your marks. You want screws snug but not overdriven. That keeps the clip flexible and the gutter able to expand. Make sure the gutter maintains the 1/4 inch per 10 feet slope. Recheck the level every 3 or 4 clips so you don't introduce sag. At seams, slide joiners in and place clips within 6 inches of the connection to secure the joint and prevent leaks or separation. You finish by fitting end caps and fastening the downspout outlet, then seal visible joints with a compatible sealant to prevent leaks. Once done, test the system with a hose. Start at the far end and watch flow toward the downspout. Make sure there are no sags or standing water. If a clip pulls out, stop, reinforce the area with a longer screw or metal backing plate, or replace any rotten fascia before reinstalling to ensure a lasting repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.